Hey guys, today we are at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan, and we're going to be drag racing the standard range rear-wheel drive Tesla Model Y versus this long-range dual motor. First, we're going to drag race them on this 3rd mile straightaway. We'll probably shut it down after about a 1/4 mile, so then we'll do a more practical 0 to 60 drag race and see how they, do in the real world. We've got slip start enabled on both vehicles. Let's see how they do. You ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go! A little bit of a difference, a few car lengths, but not as much as I thought there would be. For this one, let's just do a 0 to 60. All right, you ready? Same deal. 3, 2, 1, go! So a 0 to 60, a more real world test. They're not as far off as I thought they would be. That's pretty impressive. Cool. Well, I mean, the dual motor definitely has the traction and that extra acceleration off the start, but very interesting to see and to test. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Just a super quick video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.